really poor or really bad too. And I have 6 cats. If I could have all the cats, how many cats is too many cats? There's no such number, and I have